Hey all you subscription box lovers, it is Ms. T and I am back with another video. Today we are going to be unboxing my February 2021 Boxycharm box, you guys. Yes, this is my first time getting the Boxycharm, so it's kind of like a grand reveal. We haven't had any Boxycharm boxes being unopened on this channel. But you guys, this is my replacement for the Allure box. If you guys remember from a couple videos back, I was saying that Allure went up on the price of their box and I wasn't too impressed with that. So I decided that I would go ahead and I would switch to something else. So I have switched to Boxycharm. Now, Allure was $23 a month at its highest price. And this box is $25 a month. But for $2 extra, you guys, I get to choose at least one item in the box. When I was getting Allure, I couldn't choose any items in the box. So this is the base box. We're only getting 5 items in the box. But again, I just wanted to try something different, and of course I was excited about being able to customize it and at least choose one thing for myself that comes in the box. So here's a little more information about Boxycharm. Alright you guys, so let's go ahead and get into it. There's a little bit of a sneak peek. And right here on top of the box, there is this card that says Boxycharm. On the back of this card, it's telling me exactly what's inside of the box. And it's also telling me how much each of the items is worth. Okay, you guys? And remember, we are getting full-size products today. Okay, there's no samples, there's no deluxe samples, there's none of that. This the real thing, all right? All right, you guys, so here's the first item in the box. All right, it is the Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara plus Eye Pencil, okay? And it is coming from the company Trestique. I haven't heard of them before, so you guys, this is a new brand to me. Oh, I wish you guys could see the side of the box really good, because it has on here how it works, kind of like a unique cap, eyeliner, then there's a smudger and a sharpener. Anyway, you know, this product is vegan, it's cruelty-free, gluten-free, parabens-free, synthetic fragrance-free, and it's formulated without D5. All right, so let's go ahead and open the box and just pull it out and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that's a fancy, that's a fancy looking mascara right there. Okay, yeah. So it says flip down to curl. Oh, okay. Yes, that is really neat. There is an eyelash curler right there on the mascara. Yeah, y'all, I like that. That's neat. I haven't ever seen that on any other product. Never seen that before. But now that we had a chance to see that, let's see what the actual mascara looks like. Okay, so that's what our mascara 1 is looking like, you guys. And smells like mascara. I don't know who really smells their mascara. Just Miss T, because you guys, some fragrances on my face will turn me away from a product, even if it's as far up as my eyes. If I start to smell it, I might not want to wear it. But this one doesn't smell too loud. And also, you guys, there was the eye pencil, and I believe the eye pencil is coming in, it's black. It's Santorini Black Sand. All right, and it's just a regular pencil. You know, you don't have to sharpen it, which is good. I'm glad they've gotten away from all of that pencil shaving stuff. I used to hate it, and now all we have to do, of course, is just twist them up. So that makes it a whole lot easier to use. So I'm going to put this item back in the box, and then we will move on to our second item. All right, our second item here is the Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. Now, you guys, I don't have a big problem with blackheads on my face, but, you know, we will give it a try. It seems like this month they may be going with clean products, because this product is also formulated without parabens, sulfates, I'll just, yeah, mineral oil, petrolatum, formaldehyde, releasing preservatives, triclosan, retinol, gluten, and synthetic fragrance. It says we are cruelty free. So they are a cruelty free company. And this is what the scrub looks like in the tube. I'm not going to open it, you guys, because I just hate to open it just to show you guys what it looks like. And then maybe, well, you know. Let's see. Oh, it's black. It looks like it may have charcoal or something in it. It's kind of brown. It certainly isn't showing up on white or anything like that. But anyway, yeah. So if I do decide to give it away and they watch this video, then they know that I did not touch the product. I just merely pulled that back. All right. The next thing that we have in our box here is this Perfect Primer Matte Finish by EVO Beauty. Now, this one is also vegan, conscious, cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, toxic-free. Yeah, I'm starting to wonder, but I don't know because this is my first month getting Boxycharm. Whether or not they, all the products that they give are cruelty-free. We'll just have to see as we go along. But again, this is a matte finish Pore Perfect Primer. Okay. And again, it has a safety seal, so I'm not going to pull it off because I have like a million primers going here. The next thing in our box is, oh, y'all see that? That's a nice little brush set they got going there. See if we can get off into it. It is cute. But they really got it packaged up well, y'all. They got it packaged up really, really, really well. So inside of here, there are makeup brushes. And y'all, they have like waters and hearts inside of the one. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but there's makeup and hearts inside of the one. But these are all eye pencils, you guys. They're all eye pencils. And you can keep them inside of here. This would be great for like traveling. Y'all, I have a bad habit of taking too many makeup brushes when I go out of town because I just want to use all of the brushes that I use when I'm at home. But I think I'm going to just go ahead and keep this one to use at home. Well, not to use at home. I'm going to go ahead and keep this one to use when I travel. All right. So the last thing that we have here, y'all, and I'm really excited about this because this is one of the reasons that I wanted to switch over to Boxycharm, is that they give eyeshadow palettes, y'all, and not just little bitty eyeshadow palettes with like 2 or 3 colors. They give you a full size palette, and palettes are expensive. So let's break off into this one. This here is the Ace Beauty Nostalgia palette right there, you can see. And we're going to break off into it and see just exactly what we got. All right. So I've taken the cover off. This is what it looks like on the front. You know, they always put the little protective sheet there. And it was falling out. But y'all, oh my goodness. Of course, there's a mirror here. And these are the colors inside of the palette. Y'all, they are so bright. I wonder, are they creamy colors? Like, let's see if I can get a color. I'm gonna do like the orange. It actually kind of feels creamy. Okay, so these are the colors that I have on the back of my hand here, and I'm gonna swatch them on the back of my other hand. Yes, you guys, they are creamy. That's a good thing because y'all, I did a video before on throwing away your makeup and why I threw a lot of my makeup away. And one of the reasons that I threw a lot of my makeup away was because I always put water inside of my eyeshadow to get the pigment to come through a lot brighter. And that over time causes bacteria to form inside of your eyeshadows. And you guys, I don't need any eye problems, so I will go ahead and throw those away after some time. But y'all, I shouldn't have to throw that one away because if it shows up that good on my hand on here, I shouldn't have to put any water in there. Y'all, that is amazing. I can't believe that the color showed up that bright. I can't even believe that showed up that bright without any type of help. That's neat. And the back of my finger looks like it's painted, y'all. Let's see if I can get some more of that off. Yeah. All right, y'all. So let's see how much these products were costing us. All right, going back through this mascara and eyeliner deal right here, this duo costs $44, okay? Yeah, so this alone has paid for this $25 box, okay? The MSRP is $44, so it has paid for our entire box. Just that one product. Our next product that we looked at was the probiotics and superfoods. All right, so that one, let's see. This one is going for $32, okay? $32. All right, the next product that we had here was our EVO Beauty, and its MSRP is $23, y'all. 23 bucks. So everything we've gotten in this box so far has cost more than $25. These brushes right here were $29.95, okay? And then, of course, the last thing we got was our Nostalgia palette, and this was going for $38.99. Y'all, that's why I told y'all, palettes are expensive, but you're a makeup lover like me. That's why you're here. You know how much these palettes cost. All right, you guys. So that is the wrap up of my Boxycharm box, my very first Boxycharm box. I must say that I am extremely pleased, and the main reason is because look at the back of my hand. Y'all, I can't wait to start playing in those colors because that's just gonna be a fun time, y'all. That's just gonna be a fun time. But anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more like it, don't forget to subscribe. I always love to hear from you guys. So please leave me a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you next time.